everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your own ginger and honey face tonic. This face tonic is going to replace your regular face shampoo that has surfactant that dries you out. So this is a very good DIY. So get your notebook ready and write out the recipe as I do it. So the first thing you need for this ginger and honey face toner is the ginger juice we made yesterday. I made that in a video I did yesterday, so look in the description box below for where to get that video. So just make sure you watch it, then follow the instruction there to make your own ginger juice. So you're going to need ginger juice. We are going to need honey, okay, raw honey. Then we're going to need rose water, rose floral water. If you do not have rose floral water, you can use any hydrosol you have at home. You can use lavender hydrosol. This is a good alternative to this. But for this project, I'm going to use rose floral water. Then we're going to use distilled water. Then we will add our preservative to it. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to measure your distilled water. I'm going to use 74 grams of distilled water. Measure 74 grams of distilled water. So to that, I want a bit of stabilization, so I'm going to add a little bit, a mini bit of sodium gluconate to it. That is called a chelator. That is what we use in organic skincare products, but you may not know much about it as a home formulator. But when you learn that, when you join me as Stable Cosmetic Formula, you will know a bit about sodium gluconate and what it does in your formulation. But it's not a necessary thing for this formula, but it will go a long way to stabilize our formula. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to it. Blend it. If you want to know how much I use only 0.1 gram. So if you want to use the stabilizer that I use, sodium gluconate, you can get the Pure Blend Natural. It's a chelator and it really helps a long way. So after that, we're going to add our honey to the water. So I'm going to add 5 grams of honey to the 74 grams of distilled water. 5 grams of raw honey. Measure 5 grams of raw honey. What I'm using here is a stainless steel spoon. I'm using stainless steel lap spoon. They will not react with any of your ingredients because they are lap spoons, okay? So keep that in mind. 5 grams of honey is what I'm measuring right now. Honey, if you don't know much about honey, honey is a powerful humectant, okay? It's solid rock and it does a lot of wonder to the skin. I'm going to mix that well until it practically dissolves. Mix it well until it dissolves. Please, this is a DIY product. I personally do not recommend you rushing to make this to sell online. No, this is a DIY. There's more to making skincare products to sell, okay? That is why I launched StableCosmeticFormula.com. Guys, shh, David, fit. So once that has melted, right? Then we want to add the next ingredient. The next power ingredient here is a ginger juice. I'm sorry about the background noise. They are the amazing kids that I have at home here. So we're going to add 10 grams of ginger juice to this. $10 grams of ginger juice to it. Mix well after each addition. So we're going to mix it well. The next ingredient on the list is our rose floral water. We're going to add 10 grams of rose floral water.